Today's pension. Today's pension. Today's pension. Together pension.
Good morning, everyone.
Pension. Today's pension. Prayer position. Pension. Today's pension. Today's pension. Pen, begin. Today's pension. Today's pension. Look forward. Pledge, begin.
India is my country. India is my country. All Indians are. All Indians are. My brothers and sisters. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. I love my country. And I shall be worthy of it. I shall be worthy of it. Honorable Principal Sir, respected teachers and my dear friends, first of all a very good morning to one and all present here. I am Husanpreet from class 9 and I am delighted to take you through today's morning assembly. Let's begin this beautiful day with positive thought. Good thought can set the tone for the entire day. To inspire us, I would like to call Vaneet's sister to share today's thought.
Teachers and my dear friends, first of all a very good morning. I am Vaneet from 9th standard representing Milkha's House is here for deliver today's thought in front of you. The thought of the day is the roots of education are bitter but the fruit is sweet. Thanks, have a wonderful day.
Let's verify the truth and uncover the fact together. Good morning to one and all present here. I am Chanchal, a member of Milkha Singh House, here to speak an amazing fact. So please open your notebooks and write down. You can remove any one letter from the word seed and still have a real word. I repeat the fact once again. You can remove any one letter from the word seed and still have a real word. Thanks and have a wonderful day. Thank you, sister, to keep us updated with latest happenings around the world. I would like to invite Muskan's sister to share today's news. Updating ourselves every day is good and never-ending habit. Respected principal, teachers, and my dear friend, first of all, good morning to all. Good morning, sister. I am Muskan. I study 9th standard and a member of Milkha Singh House. Today I am here to present broadcast today's news. International news. Russia welcomes more balanced US stance on Ukraine after UNSC vote. Sports news. Adult training and competition programs are imposed on developing athletes. National news. Arvind Kejriwal to enter Rajya Sabha from Punjab being Congress leader. Thank you. Have a beautiful day. Thank you, sister.
My name is Green. I study in LKG class. I study Godwin Public School, Ghallu. I am white, chubby cheek, dimple cheek, curly hair, very fair. I love you, lovely too. Teacher one, teacher two. Yes, yes, yes. Good morning to all. My name is Vinay. I study in LKG class. Today I will poem to them. My poem name is Baba Black Sheep. Baba Black Sheep. Have you any wool? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 bags full. One for my master. One for my day. And one for the little boy who lives on the land. Thank you.
First of all, a wonderful morning to all of you present here. I am Randeep Kaur, a member of Milka Singh House, is here to present today's topic in front of you. How to keep yourself motivated during exams. Staying motivated during exams can be tough, but it is definitely achievable. A simple method of study is to break down your study schedule into sessions and reward yourself for completing them. Maintain your positive mindset by focusing on what you have completed. If possible, study with your friends and share your experience with each other. Best of luck for your exams. Thanks and have a nice day.
Representing Milka Singh House is here to ask some GK question answers from you. So please write down. My first question is, what is the chemical symbol for gold? What is the chemical symbol for gold? The answer is A. My second question is, who painted the Mona Lisa? M-O-N-A, Mona, L-I-S-A, Lisa. Who painted the Mona Lisa? The answer is Leonardo da Vinci. L-E-O. I-S-E-E. Natural substance on earth. What is the hardest natural substance on earth?
I would like to call Amanat sister to introduce us to.
Very good morning to one and all present here. I am Amanat from class 9th, a member of Milka Singh House, is here for English words. So please write down. First word is motion. M-O-T-I-O-N, motion. Its meaning is movement. M-O-V-E-M-E-N-T, movement. Second word is skinny.
Thank you, sister. Thank you for paying your attention. This request GP sir to handle the charge. Thanks and have a.
Teachers, please check nails and uniform. Pension. Students, pension. Students, pension. Ready for next anthem? Anthem.